Hi everyone, in this short video I decided to describe the Topeak FastFuel TriBox which I just received from Bike Discount, and I've searched for similar videos on YouTube, but there were none, and I decided to create this small overview for someone who is interested in acquiring this to have understanding how it looks. So the main goal for me was to store here different tools, for example CO2 cartridge and replacement kit for the wheel. You can also store here gels, of course, and it's the main purpose of this thing, but I didn't want to have additional storage on the bike. I wanted to keep it as minimal and as lightweight as possible. So on the race I just plan to have another bottle holder here and only this back, and nothing else, nothing in this triangle. So I had a choice between this one and Profile Design ATTC, I guess it's called, back, which is smaller than this one, and therefore I decided to have a bigger option to have basically more storage space. So currently there is a cartridge inside, there is this replacement inner tube for a wheel, and still some place available for gels, for example. But of course it's not the big volume still. I have not yet put it completely into the place. Of course you can have it screwed to your frame, but my frame, it's a road bike which I basically use with aero bars, doesn't have this option, so I'm going to apply the straps that come with this thing, and I'll show you later on how it looks like. Also, for aerodynamics, I plan to cut this thing here. As you see, it doesn't look nice at the... So this is how the box looks with the original straps attached. There are only two that come with it, but there is another hole here. I just thought that this increases the drag, and I will rather try to attach it to the frame using these self-adhesive strips. It says here extra strong, so it should be enough to firmly hold it in place. So this is how the final results look. So the box is attached with these strips, holds very firmly and strong. I can't detach it even applying significant force, but you still can do it, like if you need to clean it or you just don't need it on the bike. Like, let me show you how it looks like. So you see, so it's very useful, it's very aerodynamic, and it looks like basically as a part of the bike. And also what I did, I cut these small triangles here that they doesn't create drag from the side, and as you can see, it forms a single line with the bike frame here. So overall, very happy with this setup. And as I mentioned, here I have replacement tube, CO2 cartridge, and just those things for replacement of the tire. Also on aid station you can grab a couple of gels and put inside, so very handy in one place. So here it is.